Find yourself a chair. A sofa works good. And then lie down on your back. Place your calves up onto the seat. See that the back of the knees is supported. And then place your arms behind your head with the left wrist resting in your right palm. If you feel your shoulders are achy, bring them out to the sides. If they're okay in the back, place them back. Either one is fine. Now take a deep inhalation. Exhale completely. Slowly begin to release your body into the earth, letting go. Feel the support of your legs on the chair. Feel the calves touching the surface. And now feel your sacrum, the back of your pelvis, grounding down into the earth. Release your spine. Once again, let it drop like your pelvis into the earth. If your shoulders are still or now feel achy, feel free to just bring them forward. Just let your arms rest on your sides with the palms facing the ceiling. If you're comfortable having them behind your head, completely let go of your shoulders, your arms, the back of your head. Listen to the sounds of your breathing. Allow the exhalations to drop that body a little deeper into the earth. Feel supported, feel helped. If something comes to your mind, bring it to your breath. Bring your full attention to your breathing. So there's nothing you need to do right now. Just relax. Let all that build up pressure from your day slowly melt into the earth. There's nothing to hold on to anymore. Just be. Listen to the gentle sounds of your breathing, like a wave. Feel the wave like an inhalation, and feel the wave like the exhalation. Gently ride on that wave of relaxation. For the next few minutes, I will be quiet. Stay in that relaxed space And I will wake you up again when the time comes. Slowly begin to move again by bringing your arms towards the front. Let them rest on the sides with the palms up. And then when you're ready, roll over to the side, rest your head on your arm, keep the eyes closed. Still with your eyes closed, sit comfortably for a moment. Just feel that moment of relaxation. And then open your eyes and get ready